The US stock market closed with minor losses yesterday, following a rapid rally at the end of the last week. Amid the empty economic calendar, the market has come to a standstill. Investors are mulling over if they are ready to push market quotes up to the highs of the year after a roller coaster last week. However, investors are discouraged by downbeat data on the US construction sector. The number of building permits in the US came in worse than expected in April. Besides, the number of housing starts last month contracted much steeper than the forecast. Such data proves that the recovery in many sectors of the US economy has reached a plateau. Yesterday, three benchmark stock indexes incurred minor losses. The Dow Jones shattered just 0.16% and the S&P 500 lost 0.25%. And today, the S&P 500 stands at 4,163. It's expected to halt in the corridor of 4,100 and to 4,180 in the near time. Amazon used to show the strongest performance among the companies included in the S&P 500. However, currently the e-commerce giant has been wound down as Germany's antitrust authority launched an investigation into Amazon's anti-competitive behavior. This could be the main factor to stall growth of the S&P 500. At the same time, the US dollar slumped to multi-month lows. The euro is challenging the level of 1.2200 against the greenback. Its index sank as low as 89 and 86 on Tuesday morning. The nearest support of the index is seen at about 89 and 20. Meanwhile, it's expected to trade the corridor of 89.40 to 90.20. Perhaps a series of macroeconomic reports which are due later this week could revive the US dollar. The Canadian dollar again broke support amid the rally of oil prices and the US dollar's weakness. The loonie advanced to a 6-year high against its American peer, now trading at about 1.2016. The USD CAD pair is likely to find balance in a narrow corridor of 1.1950 to 1.21 amid the lack of news on the loonies front. Bitcoin is still trying to find support from crypto investors. In the second half of the trading day, the most popular digital token was trading at near $45,500. Later, it corrected downwards to $43,900. This proves that the crypto market lacks a positive information background. Recently, negative news has been to blame for the bearish trend. China banned financial and payment firms from providing services related to crypto transactions. This will drag down Bitcoin price, which is likely to trade in the corridor of $44,000 to $42,000 per token until tomorrow. Meanwhile, the US stock market is trading quietly without sharp lunges and new historic highs. The US Fed reckons that the US GDP could expand 7% in 2021. This will be robust economic growth, provided that inflation makes no serious impact on the economy. With such economic prospects, the US stocks are likely to conquer higher peaks. Time will show. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.